In a world where facilities are the backbone of operations, managing them efficiently is no longer a luxury, it's a necessity. Every facility tells a story of challenges in achieving seamless operations and the relentless pursuit of efficiency. Modern challenges require modern solutions. Introducing Cryotos Facility Management Software, a state-of-the-art solution designed to revolutionize the way you manage your facilities. With Cryotos, you can track and manage all assets within a facility. Monitor the life cycle of assets, from acquisition to disposal. Schedule regular maintenance tasks to prevent equipment breakdowns. Create, assign, track, and close work orders for maintenance tasks. Generate detailed reports on facility operations, costs, and performance. And optimize your operations with data-driven insights. The difference is clear. Don't get left behind in the past. Step into the future of facility management with Cryotos. But don't just take our word for it. Hear from our satisfied clients. Meet one of the facility managers from a renowned facility management company based out of India.
Cryotos app, and with the help of the Cryotos, we can able to find out in all the areas like a department, hostel, and others forest side, how the people are cleaning all the area and rating area and other particulars we can able to find out with the help of the Cryotos. So that will be very useful for the people, those who are here, and the managers, all the supervisor and the executive manager can find out how the people are doing the work over here and how the area is, whether it is cleaned or not, and the other people are using the machine or not. So everything we can able to find out with the help of the app. So at the, every day we are using the app with the help of that, then whether how far we are doing that. So this is the purpose of the Cryotos. This is very fantastic, it is very useful to us.
Real clients, real results. Experience the Cryotos difference for yourself.